cake, aka Pancake Swap. Are we still in line, on track for making all-time new highs this year, over the next few months? And what's likely to occur over the next few weeks? Is now the right time to buy, or should we be looking to take some profits, or maybe be a bit patient for a pullback before the continuation, because we've had some nice upside movements over the last few weeks. If you like my video, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. We're getting there. Over 1,000 subscribers now, so I appreciate you, my early adopters. If you don't know me by now, my name is Elliot, the award-winning author of The Extraordinary New Venture Capital Opportunity, How to Invest Like a Pro. I've also been featured in the best-selling book, High Probability Trading Strategies, back in 2008. But now I exclusively focus on cryptocurrency, whereas previously I was just trading Forex, which is the currency markets. So let's dive right in. So on Pancake Swap, on July 6th, so just over a month ago, we did a video and we said, hey, look, the market looks like it's doing a nice A, B, C correction. It's like a diagonal, fifth wave diagonal of a C coming up to a wave 2. We did some price analysis. All these horizontal lines, vertical lines are time analysis. Said, look, we are likely to be making some type of wave 2 low, and then we should see a continuation of the market, continuation. Here's the theory. Wave 1, what follows a wave 1? A wave 2. Wave 2 typically break down to an A, B, C. And then what continues is a wave 3, a nice impulsive wave 3, but a wave 3 also has a wave 1, a correction, wave 2, and then a wave 3 again. So where are we in this sequence? Well, that's what we're going to look at today. So let's now dive into a live chart. Look at this. This is exactly, I think it's, let's just look at the date again. Where is it? It was down here. I think I said the next bull reversal. So we're up here. And then the date was roughly around here. We were roughly around here. Let's have a look again. Just before the bearish reversal. So around here, give or take. Right, and we said the market's around here. Is that right? Yeah. And we should anticipate a low. Maybe it was a bit further down. Maybe it was around here. And then it made this nice low over here. And we said we should see a continuation. And this coincided, this next bull reversal, coincided with time and price, which is what we projected on the last video. And now we've had this nice upside movement, right? The last few weeks, upside. Now what we've had, if we look at it, is an overbalance of time and price. This is one of the first indicators. It's a lagging indicator, meaning we don't see it ahead of time. But it's bigger, just by a fraction, bigger than this movement and bigger than any former movement to the upside. It's also longer in time. So overbalance in time, how long is this taken so far? Longer than any other, longer than that one. So there we've got an overbalance of time and price. We haven't closed beyond this, which we want to see, but we have got an overbalance of time and price as projected, so we are on track. And again, when we're looking at the theory, we're now looking at this part, this initial wave 1, and then we should anticipate a correction, right? So we've had a bearish reversal, even though the market has continued to move up. And when that happens, you have something called divergence, where the momentum is going down, but the price is still going up. So this will often break down to a 5-wave sequence. Doesn't seem to be a clear pattern there, so we don't need to put it there for the sake of it. But what I would anticipate is at some stage soon, let's have a look at this. Yeah, some stage soon, we'll probably get a correction. And what I'm referring to here with the theory is this part here. Yeah, wave 2 of this wave 3. And then just like this part here, this correction before the next part of the move. Yeah, and a typical correction is around 50%. So if we just do a retracement, again, we haven't got the confirmation of this high, but we can just kind of get a bit of an idea what's the most common, which will be around $15. So today's price is more closer towards $20 with Pancake Swap, but we can get a correction to around $15. It might be a better time to buy if you're buying for the first time. And we shouldn't, if this is a wave 2, we still got a question mark there because it's not confirmed yet. If it is a wave 2 low, we shouldn't see this low exceeded. And if you're using stop losses, this is where a good position for a stop loss would be. Say, hey, this low over here shouldn't get exceeded. Let's make it a bit thicker. There we go. Boom. Yeah. In fact, let's make it even solid. So it gives us the clear. picture. Right, so what do we anticipate? Well, we did the projections. It's going to be the same thing. I can't remember if I've still got them here. I've still got them here. Let's just see where I projected those from. Oh, it was pretty much bang on, actually. I had a bit of a guesstimate at the time because we didn't have the confirmation of the low. Let me just move this here. Jeez. I'm just trying to adjust this slightly. Here we go. Well, yeah. So we're still on track to make an $80 pancake swap. $80 pancake swap to, I'll also put in the 2.618. These are the typical zones, 122. And then we said the typical time zone in the last video is a wave 3 should complete around minimum of October 24th. October 24th. It's Pooja's birthday, which is one of my staff members. 2 days before my wife's birthday, which is October 26th. So we have now got price and time, but we're also going to do one last thing. Today's a short one. Just a quick update on Pancake Swap. External retracements. These are the typical two. We can see we've got two ranges. They're quite broad. At this stage, they're quite broad. As we get more information, we can narrow these down. Yeah, these are two likely zones. Typical maximum. Let's do that as well with time. Measure the wave 1 to the wave 2. There we go. So by January 22nd, if not before, we should see the new all-time highs. And again, we want to see a break above here and a break above here. So there you have it. A quick update on Pancake Swap. You know, we did our video the other, a month ago? And we said, look, it's likely coming towards a wave 2. This is why I'm doing a masterclass, by the way, on Elliot wave and Fibonacci. It's not ready yet. It'll be ready very soon. Just putting it together to make sure it's the best user experience for you. Just so you can get the high level understanding on this theory and what particular Fibonacci ratios apply to certain waves and the relationship from wave 1 to wave 3, wave 2 to wave 3, and so on and so forth, wave 2 to wave 1. There's all these relationships and typical price zones. And when you can articulate and understand the psychology of the market in terms of Elliott wave pattern on 2 degrees or 3 degrees, means counts within the counts, and some price projections, retracements and extensions, you can really kind of fine tune. So I'm going to give you the secrets on how we projected this low, and we see it, we pegged it, right? Okay, it's only the initial move. You know, is it possible that the market may continue to the downside? Absolutely. We can't work in terms of certainties, we only work in terms of probabilities. But we've got enough that suggest high probability that the market should have a bit of a correction and a continuation to the upside. There you have it. Pancake Swap, short and sweet and to the point. If you like today's video, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'm delighted to see that this channel is growing and that you're getting value. Keep telling me what you want and I'll keep doing my best to get to your coin. Sometimes you give me a coin, I do put it on the list, I promise you. But sometimes it gets quite a lot. So eventually I'll get to the list. But it's one of the reasons I'm doing the masterclass. So rather than give a man a fish, feed him for a day, teach a man how to fish, feed him for a lifetime. So I want to teach you how to fish. So let's finish on a quote today. Think and Grow Rich. I used to study this book back in, 15 years ago. Jeez, can you believe that? All right, so this is just before the epilogue. Here we go. So it says, without a doubt, the most common weakness of all human beings is the habit of leaving their minds open to the negative influence of other people. Yes. On average, people are negative, right? A lot of people are negative. The news is negative. It's one of the reasons I don't watch the news. Without doubt, the most common weakness of all human beings is the habit of leaving their minds open to the negative influence of other people. Don't let other people influence you too much in terms of a negative sense. Sometimes you need to dream and dream big and then take action. And then with consistency, perseverance, faith, practice, hard work, time, energy, you'll get there in the end. So if you like today's video, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I will see you very soon.